Good morning, and welcome to Walking in Circles with Heidi Gammill, aka Nest Pretty. Walking in Circles is about reaching your goals one step at a time, and I'm here to talk all about that because we've got big goals. Everybody, right? Seriously. Good morning, everyone. The sun's in my eyes, so I can't really see, but good morning. So, we're moving into our house. We're doing all these things. Good morning. And, every day we're checking in with each other. Like, what's next? What's the next step? What's the next step? What's the next step? And sometimes you feel like you're having more meetings about the next step than actually taking steps. But it's so important to have that conversation to keep making sure that you're on the same page with each other, for sure, because otherwise you end up duplicating your efforts, right? You move things from one room to the other just to move them back again and then move them again, so stuff like that. So it just really illustrates that when you're trying to reach a goal, you just have to focus on what is the next step. And that's what helps you to avoid getting overwhelmed by perhaps a big, huge, overwhelming project. So, I'm just here to encourage you to take the next step. And, if you have someone to bounce it off of, even better. Because sometimes my idea of the next step is not Judah's idea of the next step, and vice versa. And so just, talking it out and, brainstorming. Two brains are better than one, for sure. So, that's what I'm here to encourage you to do. I know I was talking with someone this weekend who has to move, and she's by herself, and she's overwhelmed because, it's a lot. So where do you start? I told her this, which she didn't like too much, but how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. So you just have to do one box at a time, one project at a time. But having a plan is also very advantageous when you have a big project. So that's what Walking in Circles is all about, doing 1/4 mile at a time to help you to reach your goals. Today I'm doing it in my street clothes because it's a little late. But Judah and I have been exercising super early, and so, yeah, my schedule is just a little off. So, if you don't know this, I have a link in the bio, and it is, I do offer consultations where if you have a goal you want to talk out, you need help finding the next step, then you can just go to my calendar and book a coaching call. It's so much fun. It's actually what I love to do most. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. So Nest Pretty is about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. It may get messy between point A and point B, but that's okay. It may take time to get from point A to point B, but that's okay. It's a process. And the fun thing is if you can enjoy the process in the process. So I hope you have a fantastic day. It is Monday. I love Mondays. Mondays are the best. Getting back into a routine after a very busy weekend. Actually, this morning I thought to myself, I look forward to going to work and getting a little rest. I work really hard at work, but I worked really hard this weekend. So really, really, really hard. So this is Heidi. I'm just here to encourage you. Decide on your goal. Decide on your next step. Bounce it off somebody. And make sure that your next step is the right next step. Have a great day, and we will talk soon. Bye.